pandemic as a food delivery service. Ever since senior high school, kasi ko nag-sell of tacos, but during pandemic, gilaay ni sa akong friend. So, unay sa akong friend na ako, si DJ, nag-push na why not isell na ito balik yung taco. Then boom, since group of friends man may nga nag-plan na mag-business, so we called it Besh Taco. So, mga beshies gid mi ang nag-start ani. Then, fast forward, na-meet sa na akong other na mga partner, hiligpod siya ang coffee, si Shanine, and then nag-collaborate me with other friends. So, nahimo mi kadali of hearty. So, bungkag naman sad because of all that, and focus mi sa mong mga career. But now, going back na sad, muna siya nga, amo ang na-build balik here no, as one. Besh Taco is more on a Filipino or Pinoy version of tacos. So since hilig man ta Pinoy og sweet, spicy, so gitry jud na mo og kanang formulate of something nga taco nga friendly sa taste sa Pinoy, diba? So naa sad ni mga Mexican offers. So here na mo ma-serve diri sa Barkada. So in connection to that, Barkada is one na siya with Besh Taco. So platter of our tacos, we have here extra spicy mini taco, our mild spicy mini taco. This is our Barkada taco and our carnitas. Favorite jud is syempre the original ginamo, which is the Beshi Taco. Or kayo sa mo ang Besh Taco is the Besh Coffee. So usa sa nasa mo mga original blend of coffee. Guys, for the teamwork, for your support, and for your inyong grabbing effort no, sa pag-provide of service no, sa ato ang mga beshies and to our Barkada. Thank you so much for it.
You can enjoy soft tacos here at Besh Taco, which is what I usually like. Their ground beef is good. It appears juicy. Lots of tomato sauce and sour cream too, which I really love. Nindot ang concept of their walking nachos, dapat matilawan. Their Spanish latte is a good option for those who are just discovering coffee, because the sweetness of the milk significantly masks the coffee flavor.